Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable EAS Build caching in Expo for speed. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To enable EAS Build caching in Expo, start by opening your terminal. Navigate to your Expo project directory using the command line. Make sure you have the latest version of the Expo CLI installed. Run the command npm install Expo CLI if necessary. Once your terminal is set, run Expo upgrade to ensure your project is using the latest Expo SDK. Next, build your project for the first time using EAS Build. Use the command EAS Build to initiate the build process. In the build configuration, specify the cache settings. Locate the eas.json file in your project's root directory. Add or modify the cache field under the build section. Set this field to true to enable caching. Save the changes to your eas.json file. Now, run a subsequent build using the same EAS Build command. During this build, Expo will utilize the cache to speed up the process. After the build completes, you can verify that caching is working effectively. Monitor the build logs for any indications of cache being utilized. You have successfully enabled EAS Build caching in your Expo project. This will help improve your build times for future builds significantly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.